Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. The best garden hose nozzle delivers precise water control, adjustable spray patterns, and durable performance for every watering task. Effortlessly care for flowers, shrubs, and lawns while saving time and reducing water waste with this essential garden tool. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Craftsman Garden Hose Nozzle. The Craftsman Garden Hose Nozzle is a reliable and easy-to-use watering tool designed for durability and convenience. Built with a cast zinc core, it provides long-lasting strength while resisting corrosion to withstand regular outdoor use. The nozzle features 7 spray patterns: shower, jet, center, stream, flat, mist, and cone, allowing you to adjust the water flow for everything from delicate flowers to powerful cleaning. Its thumb control valve makes operation effortless, eliminating the need to constantly squeeze a trigger or lock a handle in place. This design offers precise water control and minimizes hand fatigue during extended watering sessions. Additionally, the contoured overmold body ensures a comfortable and secure grip even when wet. Whether you're watering your garden, washing your car, or cleaning outdoor surfaces, this Craftsman nozzle delivers dependable performance and versatility, combining strength and comfort for everyday use around your home. Number 2. FANHAO Patio Garden Hose Nozzle. The FANHAO Patio Garden Hose Nozzle is a heavy-duty, full-metal sprayer designed for strength, durability, and leak-free performance. Constructed from a solid zinc alloy body and trigger, this nozzle resists rust, corrosion, and wear far better than plastic models. It fits all standard 3/4-inch garden hoses without requiring adapters, and its internal rubber O-ring washers ensure a tight seal that prevents leaks. With 4 adjustable spray patterns, you can easily switch between different water flows for various tasks such as watering plants, washing cars, cleaning patios, or spraying down outdoor furniture. The labor-saving lock bar feature allows continuous water flow without needing to hold the trigger, reducing hand strain during prolonged use. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, and the solid construction ensures long-lasting performance. The FANHAO Patio nozzle combines durability, versatility, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for both light garden watering and heavy cleaning applications. Number 3. Innovate Garden Hose Nozzle. The Innovate Garden Hose Nozzle delivers a perfect combination of comfort, versatility, and control. Featuring an innovative thumb control design, it allows effortless water flow adjustment with a simple push, eliminating the finger strain common with trigger-style nozzles. This ergonomic design, paired with a soft, rubberized non-slip grip, ensures comfort even during long watering sessions or extreme temperatures. The nozzle offers 10 distinct spray patterns, ranging from gentle misting to powerful jets, making it suitable for delicate flowers, garden beds, car washing, or cleaning outdoor surfaces. The spray head can be easily twisted to select the desired pattern, giving you precise control for any task. Built with high-quality materials and a precision-threaded connection, it guarantees a leak-free seal that fits all standard 3/4-inch hoses. The Innovate nozzle is thoughtfully engineered to provide both functionality and ease of use, ensuring a smooth, comfortable watering experience every time. Number 4. FANHAO Lawn Garden Hose Nozzle. The FANHAO Lawn Garden Hose Nozzle stands out for its rugged all-metal construction and effortless usability. Made from 100% zinc alloy with a die-cast body, this premium nozzle is built to last through years of heavy use, resisting rust, corrosion, and damage. Its anodized finish adds a layer of protection and a polished look. The easy thumb control lever lets you adjust the water flow smoothly with just one finger, eliminating the need for constant squeezing. This makes it especially comfortable for prolonged watering or for older users. With 8 versatile spray patterns, it handles everything from soft misting to strong jets, ideal for watering gardens, cleaning vehicles, patios, and more. Designed to fit all standard 3/4-inch garden hoses, the FANHAO nozzle connects easily without any adapter. Combining strength, precision, and comfort, it's a durable and user-friendly tool that brings reliability to your daily watering routine. Number 5. RESTMO Garden Hose Nozzle. The RESTMO Garden Hose Nozzle is a tough, full-metal watering tool built for superior durability and performance. Crafted from 100% powder-coated metal, its body and trigger resist rust, corrosion, and wear, while a rubberized bezel helps absorb shock from accidental drops. The nozzle offers 7 spray patterns: shower, jet, flat, center, cone, full, and mist, allowing precise water control for different tasks. Whether you're watering plants, washing your car, or cleaning patios, it provides the flexibility you need. The adjustable flow control knob further customizes water pressure, ensuring efficient and gentle watering when required. Its ergonomic non-slip handle made with soft TPU ensures a secure, comfortable grip and reduces hand fatigue, even during extended use. The front trigger design can also be locked for continuous water flow. The RESTMO nozzle's solid build, smooth control, and versatile performance make it a dependable choice for any homeowner or gardener seeking quality and longevity. Thanks for watching. With the best garden hose nozzle, watering your garden becomes easier, faster, and more efficient. Don't forget to explore the links in the description to find your perfect match. Keep your plants healthy, your lawn lush, and your gardening effortless every time.